equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the process of replacing the battery in your HP 15s laptop. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll have your laptop running smoothly in no time. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. Make sure you're working in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small screws. Begin by turning off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there's no residual power in the device. Next, remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the perimeter of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the casing. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back cover off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular shape and may be secured with additional screws. If you're unsure, refer to your laptop's manual for specific details. Now, carefully unscrew the battery from its compartment. Remember to keep track of these screws as well. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This may require a bit of wiggling, so be patient and avoid using excessive force. At this point, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any issues you might encounter during this process. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure that it's securely attached and that the connector is properly aligned. Once connected, place the battery back into its compartment and screw it in place. Before reattaching the back cover, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. After cleaning, carefully align the back cover and press it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they're tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Finally, reconnect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. Check to see if the new battery is recognized and functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair work is done, ensuring transparency in our services. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your HP 15s laptop. With a little patience and the right tools, you can keep your device running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.